Once you download speed, then things are all very smooth. And then you'll have to do each and every video at least once or twice, give all the GTs before going for exam, and then go through all the notes. And I think the staff there in anesthesia is really good, and all the topics have been made very clear and very competitive, and they have good MCQ discussions as well.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members and team of Speed to Dr. Pranay Loomba for scoring rank number 9 in DM Anesthesia Group in NEET SS session 2025. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you, sir.
And once again, I thank you for sharing your valuable time to share the experiences with our students. And can we know a brief background history once again from
Yes.
where you started till now? What is update?
Yeah. So I started my medical journey back in 2015. Started my MBBS from Sri Siddhartha Medical College, Tumkur. Then I did my post-graduation in MD Anesthesia from Kasturba Medical College, Manipal. Finished in February 2025. Then came back to Bangalore, worked for a few months as a senior resident in Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Medical College in Bangalore. Stopped working in the month of August and then started to prepare. And then I've written my INISS and my NEET SS.
What happened to the NISS status? I mean, can you update on the NISS status?
Sir, currently I've got a seat in PGI Chandigarh in second round.
Okay, so you are in a PGI Chandigarh comfortable?
So I'm reporting next week.
So what is the plan now? Is it through NEET SS or NESS now?
Sir, PGI Chandigarh.
Great. And this interview is full of value.
Yes, sir.
Great. So now you tell me, your primary exam is NESS exam or NEET SS exam?
Sir, actually, to be really frank with you, my first priority was always NEET SS because I always thought maybe I won't be able to get through INISS. So it's only meant for toppers. Initially, even I had that notion. It's only after listening to your seminars that were held constantly, I realized, no, I am also made for this. If anyone can do it, even I can definitely be a part of INISS. And then I changed my goal somewhere in the month of October mid. I'm like, okay, next 1 month I'll sit and study only for INISS. We'll think about NEET later. So I gave my INISS with full preparation. Then I went. Then once INISS got over, then I switched to study for NEET SS as well.
Very nice, very nice. Excellent. Doctor, can you share what is the number of questions you answered in this paper?
Sir, to be frank, NEET SS 2024, when I wrote in March, I attempted around 145 questions that time. And that time paper was much easier, I felt, sir. And this time the paper was much harder. The questions were also set on a much difficult way. And this time I attempted only 135 questions, sir.
Great. Now, can you tell us the pattern of the paper?
Yes, sir. So pattern of the paper, it had all specialities included, sir. Like starting from general anesthesia, cardiac, neuro, organ transplant as well. But I felt there was more specialities asked than general anesthesia this time. So there was more of neuro, cardiac, and transplant anesthesia and pediatrics that was asked. Sir. General anesthesia was very less, and the general anesthesia that was asked was very tricky because it had very things that we would easily ignore while preparing, things like sterilization and disinfection, those kind of topics which would easily ignore before an exam. So, but your specialties were more than general this time.
Very good, very nice. Now, Doctor, can you tell us how is the NEET SS, NESS preparation differs?
Sir, in NESS, I had to only focus on my core specialty which I had chosen there, and that was cardiac even at that time. So I think I focused 80% of my focus was all on the cardiac videos and the cardiac topics. And then whenever I had remaining part of the day, I gave some time for general anesthesia. But then once the NEET INISS got over, then all my focus was on giving equal time to all the specialties. So that's when I felt NEET SS preparation was much harder. And INISS is a much easier exam, I realized, by preparing for NEET SS.
This I used to tell n number of times, but students
Yes, sir.
will be a little hesitant to believe it.
Yeah, studying for INISS was much easier, I realized, when I had to study for NEET SS, because I had to study all the specialities in depth. And INISS, I had to just study one specialty in depth, and that was so much more easier to do.
Great. So, can you tell us what will be advice for the future aspirants in DM Anesthesia Group?
Sir, so firstly, first you have to have passion to become a super specialist anesthetist, because it's very easy to finish MD anesthesia, join a corporate hospital, and start making your money. But I think first you have to have passion to get into either neuro, cardiac, or transplant. And then I think first, once you know you want to do this, then I think you should download speed first thing. Once you download speed, then things are all very smooth. And then you'll have to do each and every video like you've always told, sir. Like do each and every video at least once or twice, give all the GTs before going for exam, and then go through all the notes. And I think the staff there in anesthesia is really good, and all the topics have been made very clear and very competitive, and they have good MCQ discussions as well.
Great.
And I think I'd like to say focus on neuroanesthesia because I've seen 2 exams continuously now. Neuroanesthesia is the trademark for the paper setters.
Very favorite area.
Yeah, because not a lot of exposure happens in neuroanesthesia while during PG, sir. I feel for most of us. So I think that is where the questions are starting to show up now.
Okay. So, excellent, doctor. Thanks for sharing. Can you share what was your experience with speed and NESS exam and NEET exam?
Sir, it has helped me in both the exams, and that's been my only primary source of preparation since the beginning of this year. So, and for INISS, for both INISS and for NEET SS, I had finished all the videos of general, sir. Like all the videos that were there that was taken by Shruti ma'am in general and Ahilan sir in general, I had finished all of them. And then I'd gone through all the cardiac videos of Vijita ma'am as well. So there I had finished 80% of almost 100% of cardiac I had finished. I had finished about 75% of general anesthesia. Then once I finished my INISS, the remaining topics of general anesthesia were covered, gave all the GTs, saw all the videos in at higher speed when I watched it the second time. And it was very clear, it was very topic, and all the tricky parts that come in the exam are taught really well by all the staff.
Great. Doctor, time to thank and whom all you want to thank that they helped you from day one till date in the career.
So, like I told in my previous video, also, again, I'd like to thank myself, sir, first, because I know I got a seat last time also, but it was not the best university of India. And I knew since that day I deserve to be in the best. So I have put in that effort in the last 3 months of not working. It's very hard not to work and sit and study once you finish your post graduation. So, I'd like to thank myself. So very proud of myself of taking that difficult decision. And
Yes.
then I'd like to thank my parents because they supported the decision of me not working and sitting at home and studying. Then I'd like to thank all my close relatives and family who have always been supportive of what I've done, and all my postgraduate staff who have helped me, and most importantly, my cardiac anesthesia staff and my guide that have always been very supportive to me and always given me the best of choices to do.
Great, doctor. And it's wonderful that you could appreciate all of them. Now, how it feels that you are already in PG Chandigarh and you have a top rank in NEET
But
SS,
I
and you have an option
genuinely,
to choose what you want. Now, how does this command works? I mean, how does this feel? I mean, the kind of dedication, the kind of thing that you did, worked on yourself to come on to this level, the self-confidence, the self-respect, and self-gratitude. And all this, along with your persistent, consistent hard work, has given you this platform right now.
yes.
Can you share something on that?
So to be frank, it feels unreal. Like I never expected myself to be in such kind of a position where people would call me topper. Like that feeling is completely different. And to firstly, I think I had that right mindset that I want to be the best. I think only once you tell yourself that you want to be the best and you work towards that, only then you'll be here where I am today. So I think it's an excellent feeling, sir, which I didn't really think at the beginning of 2025 I would have. And at the end of the year today, I have this feeling. It feels amazing, feels cloud9, to be frank with you. And to right now, I have so many options in my hand. I can get any university I want. So that's a different feeling which I've not had in my MBBS and my PG. I'm having it now in my DM. But to go and do my core specialty, that is cardiac anesthesia, is a wonderful feeling, sir.
Very nice, very nice. I'm very, very happy for you and for achieving this stage of life and a successful stage of life.
Yes.
And once again, on behalf of Speed, I wish you all the very best and all the success for a great and a wonderful career
Thank you so much, sir.
in the field that you wanted and the place that you wanted you are in right now.
Yes.
For that, best wishes once again.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.